Could ignoring her actually be the unexpected move that gets you noticed? In the world of dating, less can often mean more. While it might seem counterintuitive, taking a step back could be the very thing that brings her closer. It's not about playing games. It's about showcasing your independence and letting her come to you. Today, we're breaking down the psychology of attraction and how a little mystery can go a long way. Stick with us as we reveal the subtle art of making her chase you, with tactics that are as respectful as they are effective. 15. Balance your availability. If you're always on standby, you're selling yourself short. Imagine you're the hottest ticket in town. You can't just give away front row seats. Make her feel that catching your attention is a privilege. It's not about playing hard to get, it's about being hard to forget. So next time she texts, take a breath. Finish that workout, send that work email, or just enjoy that sunset. Your reply will carry the weight of a man who's got a life she'll want to be part of. 14. Embrace the friend zone. Now hear me out. It's not the end game, it's a strategy. Slide into that zone with confidence. When you call her dude or give her that playful nudge, you're subtly signaling that you don't need more. It's a nifty trick that can spark a sense of competition in her. She's used to guys chasing, so when you don't, it throws her off. It's like a psychological nudge that whispers, "Hey, what's it gonna take?" And often, she'll start figuring out just that. 13. Spark a little jealousy. This is the spice of the dating game, but sprinkle it carefully. Mentioning her friend's new job or how cool her cousin's band is can light a small fire of curiosity. But remember, this isn't about manipulation. It's about highlighting your social value. You appreciate people, and hey, people appreciate you back. It's a subtle reminder that you're a catch. A reminder that's sure to set the wheels in her head in motion. 12. First impressions count. Polish those shoes, style that hair, and flash your most genuine smile. Make her laugh, listen to her stories, and share a moment that'll stick with her. Then, like a magician, vanish into your busy, intriguing life. It's about leaving a mark, an impression that doesn't fade even when you're not around. You're not just another guy, you're the guy she can't stop thinking about. 11. Make conversations memorable. In the limited time you chat, every sentence should be a headline, every word a story. Be the conversation she looks forward to all day. Share a funny anecdote, ask her opinion on something that matters, and flirt with finesse. Then, when the conversation peaks, gently pull away. It's about creating an emotional cliffhanger. You're not just another chat. You're the season finale that leaves her eager for the next season. 10. Know when to stop ignoring. It's like a fine cologne. A little goes a long way. Lay it on too thick, and you'll send her packing. It's all about timing. Watch for those little signs of interest, the quick glances, the accidental texts. When she's nibbling the bait, reel her in gently. It's a delicate dance, my friends. If you sense the spark fading, it's time to switch up the rhythm. Remember, the goal is to intrigue, not to alienate. So, keep a keen eye on the clock, and on her. 9. Cultivate mystery. Why are mystery novels so compelling? They give you just enough to keep you turning the page. That's your cue. When you're with her, leave breadcrumbs of your personality, hints of your adventures. Maybe you've traveled somewhere exotic, or you've got a hobby that raises eyebrows. Drop a hint, then zip it. Let her imagination do the rest. It's not about being secretive, it's about being selectively open. Keep her guessing, and she'll keep coming back for more clues. 8. Stay cool if she plays games. So she's out there posting stories with other guys trying to get a rise out of you. Here's your move. Don't flinch. Hit her with a cool story or a looks fun and leave it at that. Your nonchalance is a power play. It says you're not threatened and you've got options too. This isn't about being cold. It's about being unshakable. And that is pure magnetism. 7. Upgrade your style. We're visual creatures, and so are they. So toss out those ragged jeans and spruce up your wardrobe. Think of yourself as a brand. What's your signature look? Find it, own it. Whether it's a leather jacket that screams bad boy or a tailored suit that whispers gentleman, make sure it's crisp, clean, and screams confidence. And it's not just clothes. Trim that beard, tame that mane, look good, feel good, and she'll take notice. 6. Show emotional intelligence. In a world where ghosting is the norm, be the guy who communicates. Got a problem? Talk it out. Feeling something? Express it. It's about being in tune with your emotions and hers. Laugh at her jokes, listen to her stories, be present. When you're emotionally in check, you're not just a guy. You're the man. And that's irresistible. 5. Demonstrate high value. It's not about the size of your wallet, but the wealth of your character. Show her you're a man of substance. Volunteer, read, work on your goals. Let her see you respect yourself and those around you. When you choose a restaurant, pick one that tells a story. When you talk about your life, let your ambitions shine. It's these actions that say, I'm a man going places with or without you. And trust me, she'll want to come along for the ride. 4. Encourage her independence. Nothing's more attractive than a woman who's got her own thing going on. So champion her goals, celebrate her successes, and step back when she needs space. It's not about playing it cool. It's about being genuinely supportive. When she realizes you're not just another needy guy, but a partner in her corner, she'll start gravitating towards you, not because she needs you, but because she wants you. 3. Be spontaneous. Routine is the death of romance. So throw in a curveball now and then. Text her an inside joke out of the blue or plan an impromptu adventure. It's these unexpected moments that can spark excitement. But remember, spontaneity isn't about grand gestures. It's about the small, surprising acts that show her life with you is anything but ordinary. 2. Showcase your passions. Passion is infectious. Whether it's your job, a hobby, or a cause, when you talk about it, let your eyes light up. Take her to that indie concert, show her your comic book collection, or cook her your signature dish. When she sees what drives you, she'll be drawn to your energy. It's about sharing your world with her and letting her see the fire in your soul. 1. Balance attention. Shower her with attention, but don't let it rain 24/7. Listen to her, laugh with her, be there for her. But when it's time, step back into your own world. Show her that while she's an important part of your life, she's not the entire plot. This balance keeps things fresh and keeps her on her toes. She'll be chasing you not out of need, but out of desire for your time and affection. A strategic guide to spark interest by playing it cool and keeping it real. Remember, these tips are about building attraction with a dash of mystery and a whole lot of respect. Keep in mind that every woman and situation is different. There's no one-size-fits-all approach in the dance of dating. If you're ready to up your game, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips. Until next time, stay confident and true to yourself.